Okay guys, so when you open FC Mobile right now, you are going to get this pop-up message which says game update. We are gearing up to launch the latest EA Sports FC Mobile 24 update, and this means a brief pause for server maintenance starting at 2 o'clock UTC. During this time, logging in won't be possible. We expect to wrap things up within a few hours. Stay tuned on our social media for updates. And they posted this on Twitter saying that we expect the maintenance to last roughly 2.5 hours, ending at 4:30 UTC. So all you need is to wait for 4:30 UTC, and this game will be available again. And to get into this game after 4:30 UTC, all you need is to go to Play Store or App Store and download the update of FC Mobile 24. Then you can get into this game again. So I hope this video will be helpful. Make sure to like it and share this helpful video to your friends. See you guys in the next one.